Look at this, guys. So what we have discussed in last class, let us go through that once again. Look at this, everyone. ये आपका नहीं है ना. Where we have written when did we have class? Yesterday? Not yesterday,
Day
right?
before yesterday.
10th.
Day before
10th.
yesterday.
16.
16. So this should go here. Yes, 16 06 21 चलो. हाँ, देखो, this is what we have discussed, isn't it? So look at this. I'm just talking about, guys, I'm just talking about from where to it lies. Sin theta lies between 0 to 1, cos theta 0 to 1. समझ रहे? Tan theta 0 to infinite, secant theta 1 to infinite. This will be understanding from this. Look at this here. Sin theta increasing. This is increasing here 0 to 1. ठीक है? 0 to 1. Cos theta decreasing from 1 to 0. Tan theta increasing again to 0 to infinite. Cosecant theta infinite to 1. And secant theta 1 to infinite. Cot theta infinite to 0. This is what happening. How it's happened. Look at this here. Everyone try to understand this carefully. Everyone stay tuned, please. Look at this, guys. Sin 0 उद्भव टर्न एंड व्यवयो. Sin 0 0. Sin 30 1/2. 0 से लेकर 1/2. 1/2 का मतलब कितना होता है? 0.5. 1/√2 का मतलब कितना होता है? 0.7. √3/2 कितना होता है? 0.8 समवेयर. 1 क्या वैल्यू? 1 ही है ना. तो देखो 0 से लेकर 0.5 थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो रहा है. 0 point से लेकर again 0.7 somewhat increasing, again 0.8 to 1. So what's happening here? Sin theta is increasing from where to where? 0 to 1. So that's what I wrote here. Look at this. Sin theta increasing from 0 to 1. समझ रहे हैं? किसके बीच में? From where? 0 to 90 degrees. I'm talking about 0 to 90 degrees only. In 11th standard you will be learning many things, but you just now talk about, let's talk about 0 to 90 degrees. Clear? From 0 to 90 degrees, if I talk about the trigonometric functions, what's happening? Sin theta is increasing from 0 to 1. ठीक है? समझ रहे हैं? Hello, concentrate everyone. हाँ, cos theta, cos 0 is what here? 1. Cos 0 is 1. And cos 30 is what here? √3/2. √3/2 is what value? 0.8. 1/√2 means 0.7. 1/82 means 0.5. 0. So what's happening here? It is decreasing. Look at this here. See, from 1 to 0, from first value is 1, so last value is 0, so means decreasing only, right? Yes or no, guys? समझ रहे ना? पहले हमारा क्या था? 1 था. उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है? घट रहा है वैल्यू. तो घट रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है? Decreasing. Clear? Look at this. Tan 0. What is tan 0? 0. Tan 30 is what? 1. Guys, no one should miss the class. So if you miss the class, nothing will understand. You won't be able to understand anything. Clear? So everything looks like very fresh. लाइक ताजा, क्या बोलता है, तरकारी, ताजा तरकारी मिलता है ना, ऐसा लगता है, पूरा फ्रेश लगता है. कुछ भी इतना भी कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आएगा. समझ रहे हैं? ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. ताजा तरकारी से ऐसा लगेगा कुछ भी नहीं समझ. नल क्या हो रहा है? वो सर पढ़ाने दो, सर पढ़ाओ, मैं भी देख लूंगा कितना पढ़ाते हो, ऐसा लगेगा. ठीक है? समझ रहे हैं ना? हम लोग देखना चाहिए क्वेश्चन, क्या बोलते हैं, हम लोग देखना चाहिए क्लास के बारे में एकदम हर एक क्लास को अटेंड करना चाहिए. ठीक है? अगर क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर पा रहे तो वर्स्ट केस में क्या करना चाहिए? आप थोड़ा अभी देखो, Shadab, he is looking, he's staying at their relatives. Though he's staying there, he's attending the class. So there is a great spirit actually. So someone was, traveling, they are, attending. So it doesn't mean that, you have to travel always and just listen the class in traveling. It's not like that. कभी भी अरे यार ट्रैवल करते करते पूरा क्या इधर उधर घूमते घूमते क्लास नहीं सुनना चाहिए. अरे यार एक एक दिन हो जाता है ऐसा, एक एक दिन चलता है. ठीक है, 1 or 2 days is fine. So that time what you have to do, just try to attend the class, try to take the notes from Google Classroom. I just I'm uploading every day, right? You just take the notes from there. You just go through that what has been taught in today's session. So if you're not understanding it, try to understand that. So what we have talking, no, like you look at this, we have spoken. At least I'll be writing here, right? No, we are talking about relation between trigonometry functions. Range. We are talking about range of trigonometry ratios from 0 to 90. We are talking about very basics. So these all are have spoken about. Again, you can just go through and refer your textbook so that you can just try to understand somewhat from there. Not even 100, not 100%. Might be like at least 70% you will be able to understand if you read. So all right, and if you are still not understanding, you can just come and just you could ask me, so that I'll go through that, I'll explain you again, so that you'll be get perfection in that. That's what you must be doing. That's what you must do actually. Clear? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ, ऐसा करना चाहिए. यस बोलना, फिर से बाद में नहीं भूलना. ठीक है, अभी यस बोलना, बाद में भूलना, ऐसा नहीं करना. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं ना सबको? हाँ, देखो tan 0 है, 1/√3 कितना होता है? 1/√3 कितना होता है बेटा? ये देखो थोड़ा इंक्रीज हो रहा है. 1/√3 विल बी समवॉट ग्रेटर देन 0. So 1/√3 again 1, again √3 value will be somewhere 1.732. Again infinite. What's happening here? Again infinite. 0 से लेकर infinite. What's happening? Increasing. It is getting increased. All right. 0 to infinite is increasing. Now cosecant theta. Cosecant theta देखो ध्यान से सुनिए. Cosecant theta को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? 1/sin theta. Look at this, 1/sin 0. So 1/0. 1/0 का मतलब इनफाइनाइट होता है. देखो इनफाइनाइट से क्या हो रहा है? घट रहा है. 2√2, उसके बाद 2/√3, उसके बाद 1. सो 2 इनफाइनाइट से लेकर 1 आ रहा है, तो क्या हो रहा है? घट रहा है ना भाई. पॉजिटिव इनफाइनाइट, ये पॉजिटिव इनफाइनाइट से लेकर 1 आ रहा है, तो क्या आ रहा है? घट रहा है ना, डिक्रीजिंग. नो डिक्रीजिंग. सर समझ रहे हैं? आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट चिल्ड्रन?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So that is what. So secant theta. Secant theta is 1 here. From 1 to 2/√3, again √2, again 2 to infinite. What's happening here? Secant theta is increasing. How? Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta. What is cos 0 here? 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So 1 by 3 by √2. So reciprocal 2/√3. Here 1 by 2. Reciprocal of this 2. 1 by 2. Reciprocal of that is 2. 1 by 0. Infinite. ठीक है, ये ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं ना सबको? आ रहा है समझ में? Understanding guys? Are you getting understand? Are you
Yes,
understanding?
Yes.
Is there any children who struggling to understand Hindi? My Hindi, especially the children who is from Hyderabad. Children, anyone of you are? It's all right. All right. Is it clear with everyone? Is it clear with everyone or not?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely. Tanvi ji, Srija ji, are you guys understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, ma. Chalo. Now cot theta. Cot theta, what's happening? Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So tan 0 is 0 here. So 1 by 0, which gives me infinite. So now look at this here. Tan 30, 1/√3. 1/√3 means reciprocal of 1/√3 is √3. So look at this here. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 1 means cot 45 is also 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Here √3, reciprocal of the 1/√3. Infinite, 1 by infinite, 0. Avlada. Clear? Any doubt, guys? Any doubts?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Ashish.
like I did not understand how we are getting √2 and 2 and √3/2. Those all values how we got, sir.
See, we have absolute proof for that. We have a proof for each and every value. We have a
How
proof
do
for.
we remember in exams, sir, these values?
See, look at this. I'm telling you. That is what I'm talking about, man. Look at this. Let us write in today's class notes. No need of remembering every value, man. No need of remembering every value. Who told you to remember?
Not that, sir. I'm not understanding how we got those values, first of all.
Basically, we have proof for that. We have proof each and everything. But no one is going to ask you the proof actually. So if you want me to teach the proof, so we have beautiful proof for each and every value. So look at this. Let us take if do you want me to prove? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Look at this, guys. First, let us write the values. Let us write the values, then we'll prove. Okay. First let us write theta, 30 degrees. First, let us go with 0. No, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay. Theta means I'm talking about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay. Look at this. Let us talk about sin theta and cosecant theta, and cos theta and secant theta. Cos theta, secant theta. Here tan theta, cot theta. Look at this. So sin theta, sin 0 will be always 0. Sin 30 will be 1 by 2. Sin 45 will be 1 by root 2. Sin 60 will be root 3 by 2.
Yes, sir. These values, sir. How do you know that 30 degrees is
Yeah,
1
yeah,
by
yeah.
2 and
Yeah. That is what. Let me prove. Let me prove. I'm just telling you. Let me write the values. Let us prove. Okay. 1. Now look at this. Cosecant will be what? Reciprocal of this, right? Reciprocal. 1 by 0 is infinite. 1 by 2 is what? 2. 1 by root 2 is what? Root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 is what? 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is what? 1. So cos theta is what? Cos theta is what? From ulta. Ulta to, you have to go in this way. Okay. We'll write with 1. Then root 3 by 2. Then 1 by root 2. Then 1 by 2. Then 1 by, sorry, 0 here, 0 after that. Now secant theta is what? 1 by 1, 1. Reciprocal of this is what? 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of this is what? Root 2. Reciprocal of this is what? 2. 1 by 0 is what? Infinite. So same follows with what? This thing. Tan theta. Just tell me the tan theta values.
0, 1 by root 3, root 3.
Yeah. See, for knowing these guys, you must know what we call it. You must know radians and degrees first. Clear? Radians and degrees. So look at this. So let me prove. So we cannot prove all these values. We can prove, but we don't have. Individually, if you prove this, it takes 5 days to prove all this. So I do not want to waste 5 days. So I'll prove any one value so that you can understand from that how can we prove. Clear? All right. So let us look at this here. So let us take any triangle now. Let me say this is my triangle ABC. Okay. So from triangles only we are writing, right? From triangles only we are writing sine ratios. Look at this. From triangles only we are writing, right? So this is my A, B, C. This is theta. This is 90. So sine A can be written as, sine theta can be written as what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite BC by hypotenuse is what? AC. This is how we are writing, right? From triangle only we are writing all these functions. So from triangle only we have to prove this. How can we prove? Look at this. This is my altitude, which is called, let us say, D. Okay. Now let us say that we know that this is my equilateral triangle. Let us take equilateral triangle. So all sides will be equal. 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is my 60 degrees. All right, Ashish? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
then it will be 30 degrees. Then it will be 30 degrees. Half. Clear? All right. See, now we are calculating
Yes,
what
sir.
is sin 30. Okay, we are calculating sin 30 is what? 1 by 2, right? What is the proof? We are calculating proof. We are just deriving proof. Just I'm consider A, B, C, EBC equilateral triangle. I'm taking any equilateral triangle which is ABC. So where A, B, and C are equal, which are 60 degrees. Okay, chalo. Look at this now. Now, guys, how many of you know that? See, I have drawn here perpendicular. I have just drawn the perpendicular bisector, which is AD, to the opposite side. Opposite side was BC. Clear? Now can I write, guys? If you know triangles lesson, it will be very easy. Now can I write from the figure triangle ABD, which is similar to triangle ACD. Can I write triangle ABD? Look at it, this triangle ABD. This triangle will be equal to this triangle. Of course, yes, no, equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal. So now this triangle, one second, let me draw this. This blue color triangle will be equal to pink color triangle. Yes or no? Blue triangle is equal to pink color
Yes, sir.
triangle. Yes or no? Both are similar. Now can I write therefore, now here can I write BD is equal DC?
Yes, sir.
No, both sides will be equal. BD is equal to DC. Why? Because this and this will be equal. No, all sides equal means this and this both are equal. Right? BD is equal to DC. Now can I write from triangle, sorry, angle BAD? Angle BAD, which is equal to angle CAD. Look at this. Angle BAD is equal to, let me just maximize. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Why? Because look at this. Angle BAD. What is angle BAD? This is my angle BAD. I'm talking about this angle. Angle, look at this. Let me draw one more triangle, same triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay. So I'm talking about BAD, this triangle. I'm talking about angle BAD. If I draw BAD, I'm saying that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. CAD. Yes or no? Both are equal,
Yes, sir.
no? Yes, this is 30, this is 30. That's what I'm saying here. Both are equal, 30, 30. Yes or no? Now,
Yes.
what can you observe from the triangle? What can you observe now? Now, can I say now ABD is my right angle triangle? Isn't it? This is my right angle triangle, no? Right angle triangle, ABD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, it is right angle triangle at what? At what? At a D.
90 degrees.
At 90 at 90 degrees. Clear? This is my 90 degrees here. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Now, can I say now? Now, BAD, I know that 30 degrees and CAD 30 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? No, can I write now? Now, can I write here BD is equal to half of BC. Can I write? This BC is half of BD is equal to half of BC only, no? This BC, so BD, this BD. BD is half of, look at this is my BC. Okay. Here I have D. Okay, what I'm saying is now this BD. Okay, this is BD, half of BC. No, this is total BC. BD is half of that, half part of that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Half of.
Yes.
Now can I write the result? BD is equal to half of BC. Okay, fantastic. All right. So now look at this here, BC. What I got here? BC, right? Now let us say now what I'm saying here is, let me draw the diagram again. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Now all sides will be equal. Equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal, no?
Yes, sir.
This is A means what is this? This is going to be, this is going to be A by 2. This is also going to be A by 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Half. 1 second. This is going to be A by 2. This is also going to be A by 2. Now look at this. I'm talking about BD here, right? Now can I write BD is equal to half of BC? What is BC here? What is BC? A. Or you can write like this. What is my BD here? BD is what? BD is what? A by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 of BC. So 2 will get cancelled. BC is equal to what here? A. That is what I'm getting.
A.
Yes or no? Which is
Yes.
Now for finding, look at this here. Now look at this here. This is my 30 degrees. So 60 degrees. This is 30. This is also 30. All right. Now let try to observe it clearly. Now we'll apply for sine 30 degrees I need, right? Sine 30 degrees I need. See, for finding sine 30 formula, what is sine 30? Opposite by hypotenuse, no? Sine theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse, yes or no?
Yes.
Look at this here. I'm finding sine 30, right? Sine, where is sine 30 here? This is my sine 30, right? What is opposite to this? What is opposite angle? BD is my opposite.
6.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Opposite is what? BD. Hypotenuse is what? Longest side. Which is the longest side here? This is my longest side. AB, right? That is hypotenuse. So which is AB. So BD, what I got? What is BD? BD is A. BD. So BD is A by 2. Sorry. BD is what? A by 2. AB is what? AB is what? AB is A. So A will get cancelled. I repeat with 1/2. So that is my sine 30. Proof. Done. Everything is same. Everything is same. You can prove all this. How the proof is. So if you want to derive all the formulas, all this it takes such a lot of time. So I hope you understood how to draw it. From the triangle itself, from the equilateral triangle itself, you can just derive it all this. Clear, children? Any doubts? Tell me. Yes or no?
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt.
Huh. I hope you understand this. I
But
hope
we're
you.
finding 60
Huh?
degrees.
Sorry,
Opposite to 60 degrees would be AD, right?
sorry.
Sir, we are finding
Your voice is
degrees.
breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but your voice is breaking. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, tell me. Hello. Yes, tell me. Hello. Yes, man. Tell me.
Sir, he left the meeting, sir. His voice was breaking. He'll rejoin.
Okay, okay. So,
Can you hear me now, sir?
yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. The I was asking was when we are determining sine degrees, which is again opposite by hypotenuse, opposite to 60 degrees would be AD. What would be the value of AD?
Your voice is totally breaking. Guys, can anybody hear his voice?
Sir,
sir.
His voice is breaking, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Tushar. Tell me, what is your problem? Hello.
Sir, tell him to chat to you personally, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you. See,
Hello.
yes, I can hear you, man. I can hear you. Hello. Guys, can you
Sir,
can
I
you
sent the answer question in the chat.
okay, okay. See, if you have any doubts, you can text me in WhatsApp, no issues. See, you are asking for sine 60.
Yes,
I didn't check your message.
yes sir.
Huh. You can same thing, same thing, same thing. You are saying something what? Same thing. Look at this here. If you take anything, we all said. If you take equilateral triangle, let us say I'm just taking this all or two da, okay. Two, 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 two. Okay. So this is going to be what my this is going to be one. This is going to be one. Right? If it is one, base is one here, my hypotenuse is going to be two. Right? Apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to sorry, DC square plus
Yes sir, I got it, sir.
yes, AC square is what here? Very good, very good. AC square is what 4. DC square is what 1 plus AD square. So 3 is equal to AD square. So AD is equal to what? Root 3. Right? Root 3. So this will come root 3. Now I'm asking you to find sine 60. This is my 60 here, no? 60. This is 60 here. So this is 90. So from triangle ADC, from triangle ADC, what is sine 60? Sine 60. Find it out. Sine 60 formula is what? Opposite by hypotenuse again. Opposite. What is the opposite to the 60? What is the opposite
30.
here? Root
30
3
by
AD by hypotenuse. Longest
Root
side
3
is
by 2.
root 3 by 2. Avlada. Same. Everything is same, guys. Understand? This is how you can prove it out. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Very simple. So proof no one is going to ask, but you should know how we got that, how we are deriving. Clear? So I hope you might have understood this. Clear? Chalo guys, today now let us talk about quadrant system. What we are talking about? We are going to talk about we have to we are going to talk about quadrant system. What is it? This is what I hate all about this one. This what is that? This one. This not working properly. This is not functioning. 1 second. Quadrant system of this. Quadrant system. But guys, what do you know what is quadrant system? Basically, quadrant system, look at this. Quadrant system is this is my first quadrant, this is my second quadrant, this is my third quadrant, this is my fourth quadrant. Totally, you'll be a quadrant system basically means Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. What is Cartesian plane? What is Cartesian plane? What is Cartesian plane? I'm asking you. What is
Sir,
Cartesian?
it's basically the graph.
It is a basically graph. Okay. It's basically graph. Okay. Then
Sir, it is a
Consists
graph.
of the
It
x-axis
consists of
and
negative numbers and positive.
consists of what?
Negative numbers and positive numbers.
Consists x and y in a plane. Consists x and y axis in a plane. That is what called as quadrant system. Cartesian plane. So if I draw a Cartesian plane, look at this. These all I'll be having four quadrants. Quadrant. Look at this. Here it is making 90 degrees. Here it is making 90 degrees. Here also it is making 90. Here also making 90. So total how much? 490 is 360. Clear? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Total
Yes, sir.
count. If I just मैंने इसके पीछे पीछे ऐसे ऐसा घूमू तो 360 बनेगा. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं? 360 degrees. So you might have heard. What is this? What is the symbol? What is this?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. You might have used in your school stage, right? This is 90. Yes or no? That reading, what do we call that? This instrument in
Compass.
geometry box. Geometry box, you might have heard, you might have seen this. This is compass.
Sir, not compass, a protractor, sir.
Huh? This is
Protractor.
90 degrees.
Protractor.
90 degrees. So look at this. If I have this one, what is this one? If I had that making a circle with that is compass. That is compass. This is protractor. Protractor is what? Who told this is a compass, man? Huh. This is my protractor. In protractor, half of this protractor is going to give me what? 90 degrees. Now this is my leg. Look at this is a circle. Half of this circle is what? Semicircle. Semicircle. 180, 180. Clear? Yes or no? That's how. Now look at this. Everyone knows this. Try to understand clearly. Here, guys, we'll be having totally 4 quadrants. First, second, third, fourth. Right? Every quadrant will make. Now look at here. I'm just writing 0 degrees. So if I go 0 to here, this will give me 90 degrees. So here to here 90 degrees only. No, this is making 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
90 to this one. Again 9 plus 90, 180. Again plus 90, 270. Again plus 90, 360. Clear? So everywhere I'm making just 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. 0 to 90 here. And if I'm moving, guys, look at this. If I'm moving in anti-clockwise, I should take plus. If I'm moving in clockwise, I must take minus. Clear? What is anti-clockwise direction? This is my anti-clockwise. This is my clockwise. If I'm moving this way, anti-clockwise. If I'm moving this way, clockwise. Clear? If I'm moving, I must take plus symbol. If I'm moving, I must take minus. So what is plus minus here? I'll tell you. Okay. Basically, in 4 quadrants, we'll be having trigonometric functions. In a first quadrant, you will be having all trigonometry will be positive. All trigonometric functions will be positive. What is that? All trigonometric functions will be positive. In second quadrant, sine theta, cosecant theta will be positive, and rest, the remaining functions will be negative. Clear? So in third quadrant, tan theta, cot theta will be positive, rest will be negative. Guys, don't worry, I'll be explaining you tomorrow again. So next, cos theta and secant theta will be positive and rest will be negative. So this is a basic, basic rough diagram I'm drawing you. Don't worry, I'll be explaining it tomorrow as well. So please, today you guys, why I'm explaining all this now? Today you guys have to go through this rough idea. For an rough idea, you should go through this once again. Okay, you have to go through a textbook. Please open that and read it out. Okay, this is my quadrant system. Right, basically in first quadrant, all functions means what are the functions we have? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and cosecant theta, and secant theta, and cot theta. These all functions will be positive in what? First quadrant. All right, all will be positive. All will be positive means values of will be positive. Values of these functions will be positive. Always positive values you will be getting in the first quadrant. If we are in first quadrant, if the angle is lying in first quadrant, all these trigonometric functions will be positive. In second quadrant, only sine and cosecant will be positive, remaining functions will be negative. In third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive, remaining functions will be negative. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant will be positive, remaining will be negative. Many children will think that, look at this here. Many children will think that, sir, what is this positive? What is this negative? I'll explain you better. Don't worry. But not today. So if I teach you all this today, you will be able to forget. You will definitely forget this. So don't worry. I'll explain you all this tomorrow again. Clear? So this is what let us stop the session here itself. So and we'll meet in the next session. Clear? Until then, bye bye. See you. Thank you.